Suppose we have a group of 10 people. One of them is a murderer, but all the others are innocent. They haven't killed anyone, and they haven't committed any other crimes. We do not look at the murderer and say, all 10 of them are guilty. That would be ridiculous. At the same time, we do not look at the other people and say, all 10 of them are innocent. That would also be ridiculous. If 1 is guilty and 9 are innocent, then 1 is guilty and 9 are innocent. If you want to be rational, you're not allowed to fudge the numbers. Now imagine the crime isn't murder. Maybe it's theft. Maybe it's not a crime at all, really, but just some sort of negative trait, like arrogance or stupidity. No matter what it is, the rules are the same. If 1 is guilty and 9 are innocent, then 1 is guilty and 9 are innocent. You're not allowed to fudge the numbers. Now imagine that this group of 10 actually represents a much larger group, and everyone in this group has something in common. They could be the citizens of a certain nation, or the members of a certain religion, or maybe they belong to the same political movement. Maybe they're all just right-handed. Who knows? And let's say we have good, solid evidence that 10% of these people are guilty of something, while the other 90% are innocent. Let's just assume that's been proven. We shouldn't look at the 10% and say, the whole group is guilty, because that would be bigotry. But also, we shouldn't look at the 90% and say, the whole group is innocent, because that would be PCB, politically correct bullcrap. And of course, some people go halfway. So for instance, you've got a bigot who says, half of them are guilty. No, it's not half, it's 10%. And on the other side, somebody says, 2% of them are guilty. No, it's not 2%, it's 10%. If someone tries to change your mind with actual facts, that's one thing. And remember always that things change with time. So maybe today it's 10%, but next year it's 20%, and the year after that it's 3%, or whatever. But in every case, the rule is the same. You are not allowed to make stuff up. You are not allowed to fudge the numbers. If you want to be rational, you have to see the world as it is, not as you imagine it is.